Lots of you ask me how you would do a shaker door. Well, this is how I do it, and turn this into this.
Don't forget to deep clean, final clean and prime. This door is a hard laminate, therefore you need to use a solvent primer. Don't forget to open a window. Remember to consider which way your pattern runs. For multiple doors, you can always pre-cut the batches of material. Cut the centre panel with enough excess to fold up into the recess, approximately 5 mm. Apply the centre panel and push the edges snugly into the recess, then trim away any excess. I always use a discarded piece of lining paper to protect the centre panel while I prime up the recess edge. Don't forget to check, can the pattern that you have chosen be splice joined, or are you doing overlaps at the joints? Grab a second door of a similar depth and butt it up against your door. This will hold any excess material secure while you're splicing. You can apply a strip of masking tape to reduce the high grab of any excess material. Use 3M's Precision Line knifeless tape. This will give you a great clean cut. I always pull some of that wire filament through before I even apply any vinyl. It's a real pain if it won't start properly after you've fitted your material. Use a straight edge, a ruler for example, to give you an accurate gauge for the edge of your material before you lay it. I usually use a double layer of scrap material, a bit like a plaster over the cut. This holds the splice together while you warm and fold it around the edge of the door. If overlapping the joints, then don't forget to prime between the layers. Trim back your overlap with extra care. Now just finish your corners in whichever way you've discussed with the customer. Cut and fold, or warm and relax around.